make me weak, make me thirsty for release. One come compliment me, then become an enemy. Cop a flight to Paris, low key. It's you, baby.
You just saw our intro video, Cyanide remix by Daniel Caesar featuring Koffee. We're on Constant Spring Road. Welcome to this week's show. I'm your host, Chrissy, and we have a lot in store for you. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's episode of Pree Dis. We traveled all the way to Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth for Live on the Estate featuring Freddie McGregor. We have the highlights.
This Carnival, my dear, it brings me misery. This Carnival, my dear, it brings me misery. Going from home to home, making this girl as a big of a blast. A long shot of weekend. See that time, I said, come on, see that time.
Before in Orchard, which was one of the nicest up-close events. I mean, it was rampacked with people and what the same kind of vibe. And so sometimes I really just love doing concerts like these because it keeps you up close with the audience and you know what everybody come for. And you know all you have to do is give the people what they want. And so once your audience lock in, this is what it was tonight. Really nice. And I enjoyed myself tonight, really.
What would you say was a high point for you?
Just the people singing along to the songs. And you know, we have certain songs that the people truly have a love affair with. And when we ask them to sing a song like So I'll Wait For You, you could hear everybody singing it. Loving Papa, Let Him Try, Just Don't Want to Be Lonely. And it goes on and on. It's just about entertaining people. Make sure everybody enjoy themselves. Hear their favorite songs.
What keeps you going? What keeps you having that drive continuously?
It must be love for the music. There's nothing else. Sometimes we do concerts for free. We do them because it's our job. And don't care how down you are or whatever is happening. And when you go on stage, it all changes. It's just about the music, the love of the music, and watching people enjoy themselves, singing along to the songs that you've created. And it's a wonderful thing. So I'm just really thankful, and I'm happy that I'm here too, because a lot of my brothers have passed and gone on. People like myself, Barry, Sister Marcia, we're here doing the work, and hopefully we'll be here long enough to do the work for them too, until our time is coming up.
We don't need no commotion again. Oh, yeah. From morning, we are hustling and what we are. When we work, we not play the solid. From morning, as I always say, we never ever change.
Working on a new new CD right now, untitled just yet. We've laid about 7 tracks so far, and it's coming out really nicely. This will be released next year. We don't have a set date for it yet. Also, we're looking at Japan and Hawaii, including in our upcoming tour. And just creating an album that people will truly love, go back to that original Freddie McGregor style that people always love. And we're finding the songs at the moment, so we're feeling good about it. We're not rushing, we're just taking our time, getting the product right, and hopefully when it drops, it will be the talk of the town.
And who's producing the album? Who are the producers you're working with?
Dalton Brownie, myself, Cleveland Brownie, and others.
Mercy, what you say? Oh Lord, show you loving of the time. Let me just went up and down, yeah. I'm not.
I've been marrying rum and reggae music, Appleton Estate rum with reggae music, 2 authentic Jamaican products, and we thought bringing it here to the home would have been a perfect way to kind of end the year. So people got a really good opportunity to go through the full experience, even interacted with Joy Spence, or master blender Dr. Joy Spence. So it was a really great and phenomenal experience. And we rounded it up with Freddie, so great music, right? So rum and reggae. So we had a phenomenal time.
Your time, my crew. All right. Time again. Don't show me what your friends are wearing. I really don't want to say.
What do you think were the elements that worked tonight?
So the elements, I mean, one, from the beginning of the experience, people enjoyed themselves. They really enjoyed the tour, doing the tour and going through the process. And then they rounded off, good food at the bar and great cocktails. But Freddie really did a good job. He brought the new and the old and he mixed it all up. He was feeling the audience and they were feeling him. And I think, he has a really good, amazing catalog. So people had a good time. They were dancing, they were vibing, and the atmosphere. You have to come for this.
Oh well, come along, yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's something that we are potentially considering, live at the estate, at the home of Appleton Estate. We brought rum and reggae together and it was just phenomenal. So we'll see what 2020 brings, but we hope it will be great.
If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go.
That was live at the estate with singer Freddie McGregor. Up next, we meet the man behind the hit song Brick Pam Brick, Skillibeng, and Bakersteez drops a new video. Soon forward.
Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
Yeah, and gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. At blem, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anyway you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take